Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some problems of miscellaneous chapter 6, in which the first is 11th problem. We have a solution here whose temperature we want to put in between 68 Fahrenheit to 77 degree Fahrenheit. In between 68 degree Fahrenheit to 77 degree Fahrenheit, whereas the Fahrenheit formula is given by 9 by 5 C plus 32. By this formula, the Fahrenheit and Celsius relation is given. Now we want to find out the Celsius degree temperature in what. So first we have to remove this 32 from here, and for that we are going to subtracting 32 from each term. So here we have 68 minus 32, 9 by 5 C plus 32 minus 32, and here is 77 degree minus 32 degree. In this case we have 36 here. Here is 9 by 5 C, and here is 5 and 4, 45 degree. Now we want to remove this 9 by 5 from here, and for that we are going to multiply the whole inequality by 5 by 9. So 5 by 9 into 36, 5 by 9 into 9 by 5 C, and 5 by 9 into 45. So cancelling this 9 with 36 4 times, and the product of 5 4 20. Here is only Celsius C, and this one is 9 is 5 times 25. So the Celsius temperature lying in between 20 to 25 degree, whereas Fahrenheit lying in between 68 to 77, which means this. It is the mean of this question. तो यहाँ हमें करना क्या था बेसिकली कि फॉरेनहाइट का रिलेशन दिया हुआ था टेम्परेचर का, जो 68 से 77 के बीच में था. फॉरेनहाइट का जो फॉर्मूला होता है कन्वर्टिंग इनटू सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर इज गिवन बाय 9 by 5 C plus 32. Substitute at this place and then remove first 32, after that 9 by 5. You will get this result, the Celsius temperature lying in between 20 to 25. ये इसका प्रोसेस है पहला. Now we are talking about the question number 12. In this question what we have? We have 8% boric acid solution. 8% boric acid solution, which is given. And what is the volume of this, which is given as 640 liters. We want to make it dilute, and for that we are going to mix some other 2% boric acid solution in it. 2%, let 2% boric acid solution is as later we have. Now the total volume of solution is 640 plus X liter. Now according to question, what we did here, 8% of 640 liter and 2% of X liter we are adding here. 8% of 640 liter plus 2% of X liter. We are adding these two, and this line in between 40% of total, 4% of total, and 6% of total, less than 6% and greater than 4%, which means this solution line with greater than 4% of 640 plus x, but less than 6% of 640 plus x मीटर. दिस इज द मीन ऑफ दिस कंडीशन. यानी हमने क्या किया है कि 8% वाले बोरिक सॉल्यूशन के अंदर 2% वाला बोरिक एसिड और मिला है जिससे इसको डाइल्यूट बनाया जा सके. और डाइल्यूट बनाने के बाद हमारे पास क्या सिचुएशन आई कि टोटल हमारे पास ये था मिक्सचर जो 640 प्लस एक्स बन चुका है, लेकिन वो जो मिक्सचर बना वो 6% ऑफ 640 प्लस एक्स से ये वाला लेस होना चाहिए, जबकि इससे ये ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. तो इस सिचुएशन को अब अपने को सॉल्व करना है. और ये परसेंट उठाते हैं तो अपन जानते हैं 6/100 इंटू 640 प्लस एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन 8/100 ऑफ मतलब इंटू प्लस 2/100 इंटू एक्स and 4/100 into 640 plus x. Upon 100 occurs in each term, so remove this. Rest part is 6 into 640 plus x. Here is 8 into 640 plus 2 into x. Here is 4 into 640 plus x. We are having this one now. Now multiplying these, what we get? 6 0 6 4 ja 24 carry 2 38 plus 6x. Here is 0 8 4 ja 32 3 and 48 plus 3 51 plus 2x. And here is 4 4 just 16 25 plus 4. Now we are having these two relations first. After that we are taking these two to get the value of x. First we are taking these two. From these two I am going to subtract from both sides 3840. So 3840 plus 6x minus 3840 is greater than 5120 plus 2x minus 3840. Taking these two first. इनमें से तो we are getting here 6x and in this side 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 4 8, 10 minus 8 2 and 4 minus 3 1 plus 2x. Now subtracting 2x from both sides, 6x minus 2x 1280 plus 2x minus 2x. So cancelling these 2x, here we have 4x is greater than 1280. Now to get the value of x, divide by 4 in both sides. So 4x upon 4 or 1280 upon 4. This implies what we get here, x is greater than 320 liter. So the x should be greater than 320. Now we are focusing on the second condition, which we are taking these two. Subtracting 2560 from both sides. 5120 plus 2x minus 2560 is greater than 2560 plus 4x minus 2560. So here is what we have. 2560 is the remaining part because half of this one is this. And plus 2x in that side 2560 cancel, only 4x Now subtracting 2x from both sides, 2560 plus 2x minus 2x, and here is 4x minus 2x. So what we get here? 2560 is equals to or greater than is 2x. Now divide by 2. 2560 by 2, and here is 2x by 2. So what we get here? 1280 should be greater than x. So now we have two results here. X should be greater than 320 and x should be less than 1280. So the solution is lying in between. आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा किसके बीच में आ रहा है वो. I am writing here. So x is lying in between 1280 and here is 320 लीटर. तो जो 2% सॉल्यूशन हमने मिलाया था x लीटर, वो 1280 और 320 के बीच में रहेगा, यानी 320 से ग्रेटर होने चाहिए उसके और 1280 से लेस रहना चाहिए. ये इसका तरीका है सॉल्व करने का. नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम वी हैव 13.